Students, and good morning. Hope you all have learned general knowledge in the last session, whatever we have learned. Okay, and very few students send me the homework, so I request all the students, please, whenever I am asking to you to complete your homework and send me, so please do on time, because later on whenever school will be getting started I am going to check it everything. Okay, and apart from that, actually it is good for you if you will do homework every day, then it is good for you only. So today we are going to learn aptitude, lesson number 13, half which we learned in the first session, first term, and remaining we are learning here in the next term for the second session. Okay, growing patterns we are going to learn today, and reducing patterns, one new lesson. So what is the growing pattern? If we learnt it already, so no problem, you can revise it, because anyhow in the whenever you grown up and whenever you go for the any competitive examinations, so you will be asked some kind of questions like this. So please, if it is already learned, so learn it again and go through it again. Okay, again and again if you will learn, then your mind will be set. Okay, so growing pattern 1, in the answer figures which comes next we have to find out. So if you look here, we can see first line, then in the second picture the line is going down, and in the third picture again the sleeping line is there, and in the fourth picture we can see again small standing line is there. Okay, so if you see the pattern, growing pattern, line, sleeping line, then standing line, again sleeping line, then standing line. So looking at this we understand immediately what will be the next figure. Okay, so A will not be the next figure. Okay, B will not be the next figure, and yes, C will be the next figure, because already we have drawn here 1 2 3 and 4 lines, 1 2 3 and 4 lines, so we want fifth line and the next figure, that is why C is the correct option. Next, number 2, sleeping line and one half circle which is close to that line, then in the third picture 2 half circles, and then in the fourth picture 3 half circles. So in one line 3 half circles can be fit. So what will be our next figure? So it should be A, because B is not proper, C is not proper, and D is also not proper. So A is our next coming and growing pattern. See third one, sleeping line and slanting line, 2 standing lines and 1 slanting line, then 3 standing lines and 1 slanting lines. Okay, then fourth lines and so here we come to know 1 2 3 4. Okay, one by one standing line is growing and the slanting line is the same. So here we have to find out, suppose to 5 standing lines should be there and 1 slanting line should be there. Okay, so our answer will be not A, because only standing lines are there. Our answer will not be C, because 6 standing lines are there, and D also we cannot say it is answer, because the slanting light is in a different shape. Correct, so our correct answer is B. Okay, fourth one, in the one picture, first picture they have shown here square, then in the second picture 2 squares, 3 squares and 4 squares. Okay, so it is a growing pattern. Then we have to find out what will be the next. So here in the second picture we come to know from which side we have to draw growing squares. So in the second picture they have shown in the right side, and then in the third picture they have shown in the down side. Okay, so our correct answer will be it should not be C, it should not be D, or it should not be A also. The correct answer will be B. Okay, got it. Next, the same pattern we are going to learn. In the fifth picture they have shown one design, and in that design one dot in the first picture, second picture 2, then 3, then 4. Then we have to find out what will be the next figure. So for that we have to search that the same design will be there, the same shape will be there. So we can see the same shape in the A option, and B option we can see the same figure, same shape. We cannot say it could be C and D because the shape is totally different. And here as per pattern we should get total 5 dots. So A our correct answer. Okay, got it students. Then C, we have to find out the sleeping line, and upside one half circle, and down in the next square downside one half circle. Then again it would be like a rangoli. Okay, in the third session we can see the second one half circle, and in the fourth picture we can see the next half circle is attached to the second half circle. So here we have to find out the proper figure. So A cannot be matched because there is only one side half circle is shown. B also cannot be matched because already we have got here in the fourth square, already we have got here 2 circles. So we are going it slowly, means we are showing it slowly the growing pattern is there. Okay, so B is also not correct answer, and D also not correct answer. Then C is our correct option. Then 7, 1 dot 1 star, then 2 dots 1 star, 2 dots 1 star. So if we see in the 7th growing pattern, first we have to draw dot and then we have to draw star. Got it? Then we have to at last, in the last box we are getting 2 dots and 2 stars. So can you imagine in the next growing pattern what would be there? So there would be 3 dots and 2 stars. So A is not correct one, B is not correct one, C is also not correct one, because we want 3 dots and 2 stars only, because one by one we are showing the growing pattern. Okay, not directly all the boxes, so we are going step by step. So D will be the correct answer. 8th one triangle, then 2 triangles, 3 triangles and 4 triangles. So here also one question is there, how to find out the next figure. So if we can see it growing from the right hand side, correct, it is growing from the right hand side. So if we see in the 4th option, it is growing then down. Okay, it is coming down. So we are getting answer, it would be B. Okay, because A is not at all, it is shown totally different. Then C is also it has shown in the all the triangles are shown in the separate corner, and the D is also not in the line. So we cannot say D will be the correct answer. So B answer is correct. Okay, next growing patterns E. lesson. Give the next two or each of the following. It is very easy to understand, you students. First is have shown two different lines which are slanting, and inside it, in the second picture, it has shown one dot. Then again they have drawn here two slanting lines which are getting together and inside the dot. Then again third picture, only lines have shown. Then fourth picture, lines and in the dot. So slowly we have to make it growing, like we can see in the first, then second picture. We can differentiate in each picture. First picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture. In the fourth picture we can see it has shown the pattern, like and down the two slanting lines, they have shown here dot. Okay, so in the fifth picture we can see here they have shown one next two slanting lines which are getting together. So like this, in the sixth and seventh we have to seventh and eighth box we have to find out which answer will be there. So students, I request you students, please think about it and do it yourself, and click your photos of your books and send me. In the second picture also it is very easy. One circle, then in the second picture one line is drawn to connect the second circle. So like that it is coming down. Okay, that has shown it is coming down, and it is going to right side, then it is going to upside. So I request those students, now you have to search, you have to think, you have to find out what will be the next. So as per the pattern, if we see, we have to draw upper side line, and upside we have to draw one circle. Again we have to go left, and then we have to draw one line and circle. Got it? Give next three for each of the following. Okay, here one design in the first box, then in the next box one design and star, third box two design and star, then fourth box two design and two star, then three design and two star, then obviously in the next box three designs and three stars, and in the next box four design and three stars. Got it? And in the next box four design and four stars. Next, fourth one sleeping line, then design, two sleeping lines, design, three sleeping lines, design. So I can tell you here in all the boxes that design will be the same, only we have to add one more line in each box. Okay, here in the first box one line, then second box two lines, then third, then fourth, then five, then 6, 7, 8. So got it students? So if you look at it, or if you observe it very nicely, then you understand it very easily. Next, give next four for each of the following. It is also same growing pattern. Here you can see in first picture one dot, second picture one dot, one dash, then third dot, dash and star, then two dots. See in the fourth picture it is different, two dots, one dash and one star. So in the next picture it should be two dots, two dash and one star. The next picture two dot, two dash and two stars, and in the next picture three dots, two dash and two stars. So like this you have to draw. So I can tell the students it is very easy to understand. You just learn the first, second, third and fourth pattern and you can do yourself. It is very easy pattern. Okay, so today we are going to one more pattern, growing pattern, pattern number 3. See here, here now we can see first is circle, then second is in two circle between there is one line, Then next, in 3 circle between there are 2 lines. In the next, okay, here also you can find the line is going from upside to down in the right hand side. So in the next picture you can find out at the end what they have given. At the end they have given first you have to draw upside straight line, means from line left to right, then from up to down, then right to left, and again left to right, means up from bottom to top we have to go. So in between we have to find out. So I can tell you in the 1 2 3 4 5 6 picture how, what you have to draw. First as it is you have to draw, means first circle, then dash, then circle, then dash, then circle, then downside dash and circle, then circle and dash. Okay, again you have to draw here circle and dash. Got it? And in the next picture just add one dash and word circle. Got it? So like this you have to find out. In the second also picture only one triangle is given. In the second picture one triangle and dot. Third picture 2 triangles, and in the first picture 1 dot. So in the fourth picture 2 triangles and 2 dots. In the fourth picture we have to draw 3 triangles, and in the 2 triangles we have to draw dots. Got it? And in the last picture we have to draw 4 triangles, and in all 4 triangles you should put dots. Got it? Next, star design, 2 star design, 2 star 2 design, 3 star 2 design, then 3 star 3 design, then 4 stars 4 design, then 4 stars 4 design. Got it? Next, it is same like as above, so you can solve yourself. Next, it would be the same, only just think, observe and do it. Okay. Next, reducing patterns. Okay, it is like as growing pattern, just we have to reduce one boxes or one pattern we have to reduce. So we can see in the first picture 3 lines. Okay, 3 sleeping lines, then 3 dots. Then here in the second pattern we can see 1 dot is hidden. So in the next picture 1 dot and 1 line is hidden. So what will be the next? What next would come? So here we can say the next correct answer will be, if we see in the first picture 3 dots and 3 lines, then 1 dot is less. Then in the second picture 1 dot and 1 line is less. In fourth picture 2 dots and 1 line is less. So here we have to find out which would be the next one. So maybe it would be A. Maybe it would be A, because only what is remain? Only 1 dot and 2 lines are remain. So same answer could not be there. That is why B is not there. So already 2 dots are not there. So we cannot say 2 dots, means C is not correct answer. 3 dots are not there. Already we have got in 1 dot in the last figure. So we cannot say D will be the correct answer. So A is right answer. The same thing, second picture, in the design 1 2 3 4 5 6 dots are shown, then 1 2 3 4 5 dots are shown, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3, then only 2 dots at the end we want. So answer will be D. Next, reducing pattern, third question, 3 half circles and 3 dots. 3 half circles, 2 dots, 2 half circles, 2 dots, then 1 half circle, 1 dot. So what will be the next? Next will be, yes, next will be B. Yes, B is the correct answer, because we have to reduce one pattern, one thing we have to reduce. So in the fourth picture we can see 1 dot is not there, So we have to reduce one half circle or U shape we have to reduce. So that is why we will be getting B correct answer. Then fourth they have shown here, it is very easily sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line at the back side, then standing line, then right side sleeping line, then standing line, again sleeping line. So we have to reduce each line one by one, means step by step. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be C. Got it? So like this you have to solve, you have to learn, you have to solve this pattern also. Learn it. If you not understand, you can call me and you can ask me. Okay? What is your homework? Solve all the lessons in your textbooks and understand it. If you don't understand, ask your parents or you can ask me. Bye bye and take care yourself.